Hey y'all, Wagwan, and welcome to RAE-MARIE'S diary. Wagwan, 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 gallies and gents. It's your girl Ray, and I'm back again with another video. Today I'll be doing a prank. Coming in hot. I'm coming in hot, bringing the heat in real quick. But before we get into that, let's get seasoned with Jesus. Blessed is she who believes that the Lord will fulfill his promises. Luke 1 verse 45. Amen. What's going on, my lovely people? Wagwan, my lovely people. I hope you guys are doing okay. I hope the day is treating you well. And for those in the back, I can hear you. Don't think I'm not hearing you. I am hearing you. For those in the back, come to the front. Thank you very much. Listen closely. Tomorrow will be better. It doesn't matter what you're going through, what's happening. As long as you woke up with life, air coming out of your lungs, just know that it's not over for you and tomorrow will be better. Clock that T, sis. However y'all do it. I'm doing good. I'm doing great. Despite being under the weather a little bit, I have the flu. So hence the reason why I sound so raspy. But it's a perfect time to do this prank on my dad, seeing that I'm not feeling well and I've been coughing and sneezing a lot, and I haven't been really covering my mouth and doing the sanitary things that I should be doing because I wanted to do this prank, the sneezing prank, where you get a spray bottle, and you put water in there. You sneeze, or you act like you sneeze, but you spray the bottle on the person and make it look like you sneezed on the person. You following? Right. A disclaimer. My dad, my father, fully seasoned Jamaican. So I don't know how this is gonna go. I don't know how his reaction will be. I'm kind of doing it with a wing and a prayer, but I just want to ask y'all to keep me in your prayers because I don't know how this is gonna go.
At this moment, y'all, please just pray for me. Please pray for me. Please pray for me.
I'm gonna go to the store to get some a spray bottle, and yeah, we're gonna get this prank going. Hey my lovelies, so unfortunately there's no audio for this entire clip, so I'll be doing a voiceover. So here I'm setting up to do my first sneeze on this man. Achoo! Guys, I am playing with my life. Like, really playing with my life. He was so pissed off. He was so mad at this point. Second attempt. Achoo! Guys, I got the elbow. He's like, don't sneeze on me, man. Don't sneeze on me. I don't like it. He's like, you came in here this morning and I told you to put a mask on and you refuse. Turn your head the other way. And guys, me laughing makes this situation not one bit better. But here we go. He is so pissed off. Guys, he is so pissed off at this moment. Harry's telling me to put a mask on, but I refuse. Have you ever seen me coughing? Achoo! Third attempt. And you're still doing it. You're the Jamaican coming out, guys. Guys, when I got this slap, I'm telling you, my life ended, because there is no way I'm over here getting the back of the hand for y'all on this prank. But it was worth it. He's like, why you spitting on my neck back? Stop spitting on my neck back, man. Turn your head the next way. He is so pissed off, y'all. Next time you come in here, ride round at the back. Ride round at the back the next time you come in here. Disrespectful. Ray-Marie, don't make me rude to you, Ray-Marie, because you're spitting on my neck back, Ray-Marie. He is so pissed. Like, turn your head the next way and stop sneeze spam him and say, here you go, here's a wet wipe. I don't want none, man. I don't want none. Because it's the same shitting thing me I tell you. So if you stop sneeze spam me, you know, stop sneeze spam me. Every time you come here and sneeze spam me, I'm tell you for a man to put on a mask. Sure. But yeah. Guys, as you can see, he is angry. He's upset. Bringle. When I tell you, say the real Jamaican come out, me I tell you. The man said, don't make me rude to you. Played with my life on this one, but it was worth it. It was worth it indeed. Look here, I almost get another elbow again. Listen, the man don't play. Serious games me I play with my life. But that was indeed a great video, and if you'd like to see more, please thumb up the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment down below on what you think I should do next. So thank you for watching, lovelies, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.
Shorty bad, yeah, she fine like some wine. And I love the way she make her body wine. Rude girl like she acting out of line.